This is where the good things happen. In the bed, and it's not only my Wembley is everywhere. TMI. Hello people. Welcome to my bedroom reveal. Like, I can't believe how far we've gone. And I remember this room the first time I got in here, it was full of everything, but now it's more like a bedroom. It might looks like something normal for each and every one, but let me just tell you something. When you have to do something like a fixer-upper or a transformation, it is easier to work on something empty or to just change things around. But when you have to take out old furniture, like the whole of that wall, there was a huge cupboard, and I can't even talk anymore. Like, it's just to declutter everything. I mean, I did a video about decluttering. Behind there was a picture, a very funny, I don't know what that man was thinking, but I love my bedroom to be light. Like, I suffer from some kind of sleeping, I'm not saying disorder, but it's not that perfect. So the simplest, the better. On the wall, on that side, you can see that we discover some kind of opening the wall rafter, so we had to secure that. But the decluttering work we had to do is just too much. So I can show you how I try to organize or even reduce my makeup, and those are my perfumes. They go behind there. I still have some downstairs here as well. A little bit of makeup, like if I want to go somewhere very quick, I can take this one. Or if I want to like have a kind of station here. Actually, I should take those combs away because I now have locks, but for some reason I still keep them, so you can see I can do my makeup, some little things. And this is a bin, and yeah, I'm getting there. So I still have some space to grow, which I really don't want to grow makeup wise to be honest. So those are some of my lenses, massage, and some funny, just think he just grabbed there and very quick. This one I'm not going to open it because it's my socks and underwears, and I have my bikinis, tops, like singlets, and this is also beach wear, and yeah, I have my hot pants. Like, it's quite organized now. And here is where I have my active wear here, and I reduce a lot of those. All of this is leggings, underwears, like, and some tops. Yeah. So singlet, those are breast wear. So it's now well organized. And this here is for laundry. Now, this one is supposed to be my working or filming place or whatever. I have some jewelries and some sweets going on, don't judge me. And I wanted this chair, like, oh god, even though I bought two of them for half of the price of one, and it's dark, which at the end I kind of like it because it's also dark there, and you have black. This is IKEA, and my husband is a Star Wars, not fan. Is it's enough amazing. Loving is not enough. Star Wars people, I can talk. And now on this side, this is my side, and you might be wondering how come two people have only 1 meter of I think it's a Pax IKEA shrine, because it's summer. We have this like really not really thick bed covers, and the thicker one is over there, and that one as well. So once is winter, the two of these you can zip them together to make one, and that one with some duvets are mine. Now what did this man do? Oh God. It is what it is. Yeah, I decluttered a lot. Those actually, I was wondering why it's only 2. But I didn't want to ask. Babe, for real life. So that is where you can, instead of putting it up there, I'm not going to do it right now. So you can see this is my side and this is his side, and those are my short things, what I don't wear. And anyways, so I have this drawer, which, to be honest, after I've decluttered, once you started, people, you can't stop. I still feel like I can declutter. Like, I'm not going to be wearing this anymore. I'm not going to be wearing this anymore. And yeah, and this one is based on, so, and down there is knickknacks. Like, you could have put it right there. So this is our I would say summer, and some nice dresses. To be honest, you can see there's a lot of hangers free. I feel like even at least 30% of what I have here I can still declutter. So don't start decluttering. Now, even here, I haven't opened this place in weeks. You can see that it's supposed to be my reserves. So this is the winter clothes, my head tie, some of my extensions. I still have a lot of place behind there as well. Those are my 90s, which I don't really wear, and those are too nice. All this area are bigger clothes which I'm not going to wear anymore. And yes, just shopping reserves, like, don't judge me. Yeah, so it's so difficult for me to open it, and this mirror is just, I can't stand in front of the mirror, people, because obviously somebody is I just had to quickly film this video before the sunset. So okay, I forgot, we added some wallpaper to cover up the funny, I don't know what it was, as a picture, and I just bought this one. I feel like I want to take this one and put it up and those two down, because I mirrored them, the two of them. It wasn't really expensive. I bought it at, I think, Aldi. It's not so sponsored, but Aldi, if you want, sponsor me. Again, I am very proud of this bedroom at this point, because it was full of clutter, and we made it to be less cluttered and more, yes, I'm struggling to get a thumbnail and everything. So we made it to be a little bit lighter and simple. So we changed the bed. Obviously, the bed was too low for my liking, and reduced a 4.5 meter long dresser or cupboard or wardrobe. I think it's wardrobe. And that's it. Let me know how you liked this transformation. Let me see. So you see, this is where I really get sunny, yeah, to do your makeup or your Bible studies and everything. Obviously, I didn't show you the other side of the room. It's a bit of personal things hanging there, and there's a TV. I can show you that one up there. So this is the first time you are in my bedroom, in our marital room, but it's nothing. This is where the good things happen. It's like it also happens somewhere else. I'm not that person fixing the bed, and it's not only my Wembley is everywhere. TMI. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more, and yeah, this is our DIY. Not that much DIY room, but hey, the dresser was DIY'd and the whole conception was me. And I hope I really found the before of this room. If I don't find it, then it's going to be a bedroom too. Just as simple as that. Bye.